today I'm officially a landlord. I'm excited. I love all that like income that we're gonna get. I can't wait. It was a lot of work. We worked 3 months on this project. It's a little less than 3 months, and we got it fully rented out. I'm so excited. Showings were a little crazy because of the pandemic that's going on, so you have to keep your distance and stuff. I started with a virtual tour, and then some people still wanted to come see it in person, so I opened up all the doors, opened up all the windows so nobody had to touch anything, turned on all the lights. We had about 10 different showings in one day, so we were there a few hours, just sitting in the car watching to make sure everybody did what they were supposed to. We had a few people who were interested in moving forward, so I started the next step, which was application. I wanted to make sure that they can fill it out, follow directions. It asked for a lot of different things. Some people got it to me like right away, some took a little bit longer. Then after that I looked through all of them and then seen which ones I want to move forward with. A lot of people had these like really sad stories, you know, bankruptcy, divorces, fraudulent, it was different things. So I ended up going with the one that was just straightforward and easy, and they had decent credit. I wanted to move in as soon as possible. So that's really exciting. It's a 4-bedroom house with 2 bathrooms, a big yard, 2 oversized car garage, and 1 parking space. So it's a half a twin. I love it. I would live there myself, so I kind of wanted a place where I can feel very proud of, because if I would live there, I'm really happy with the house. We had a crazy week. I didn't know we were gonna finish it by the move-in date, 4/20. We had leaks, all like the seals and stuff for the sinks, and they were all like failing, so there was water coming out in the basement, there was water underneath the sinks, like it was crazy. The hot water heater wouldn't turn on, so I had to be very persistent. I kept clicking the thing, and finally it ignited. That was just yesterday night. Like, oh my god, so many leaks, just like so many things, and it felt like every time we fixed something there was something else. The upstairs toilet, the drain was like actually leaking through one of the ceiling tiles, and it was all wet, so we ended up getting this like putty that you like warm up in your hand for like 30 seconds or something to activate it, and then we like covered that pipe up a little bit, and actually it worked really well, so luckily that's fine. And 2 days ago, the oven that was there, it's like a hardwire one, so we finally wired it in to check to see if it works. I know 2 days, right? And guess what? One of the burners didn't work. So luckily, my father-in-law had extra stoves, so he ended up giving us one that worked really well. It was really nice, luckily. Oh my god, but it was just always something. We didn't want to get overwhelmed with this project, so we ended up working a few days a week. We made lists of what we wanted to get accomplished. I mean, there's like a ton of things that we still can do, but you know, you have to call it somewhere, right? And you're trying to make like a profit from it, so you can't go like overboard. I'm really happy. And I'm excited. Oh my god, all our hard work for 3 months and all the stress and like everything, it really is paying off now. I can't wait. Now I'm just like, when can I get my next one? I want to start a new project. Like, it just gave me something to do, you know, something to look forward to. So I'm excited. But that's our first rental property, and we got it rented during this crazy time. I'm so excited.